Good morning, students. How are you? So, today we will discuss exercise 6.5 of 10th class mathematics, chapter number 6. Question number 1. I think you have no problem, but I want to tell one or two part of it. It's given side of a triangle are given below. Determine which of them are right angle. In case of a right angle, write the length of the hypotenuse. So it's meaning this type is given. You have to tell it is a right angle or not. So which satisfying this property, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, are what? Right angle triangle. So first case taken. So one side given 7 centimeter, another given 24 centimeter, another given 25 centimeter. So which is the biggest here? 25. So 25 you can say h square equal to 25 into 25 is equal to 625. Yes or no? Now another side perpendicular you can think 24. So 24 multiply 24, 96, 24 4 ja 96, 9 8 ja 57, and base you can think 7. So 7 square is equal to 49. So h square is equal to 625, base square plus perpendicular square 576 plus 49 is how much? 625. Yes or no? 9 plus 6 15, 1, 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 12, 1 5 plus 1 6. Therefore h square is equal to b square plus b square. Hence first is a right angle triangle, and h means hypotenuse is equal to 25 centimeter. Similarly you can check second part, third part, fourth part. If h square is not equal to b square plus b square, then you can say. Now question number 2 of exercise which 6.5, you have to given PQR is a right angle triangle. So PQR you can take what? Right angle triangle, like this. PQR is a right angle triangle, right angle at P. This is Q, this is R, and M is the point on the QR, such that this is a point on QR. So first you can say, what is this? What is this? M is this point, and this angle also 90 degree, this also 90 degree, this complete also 90 degree. So first you can write what given. In triangle PQR, right angle at P, and PM is perpendicular on QR. Then to prove. So what you can say? You can say like this: PM square is equal to QM into MR. This you can say proof. In which triangle let this angle is x. What's this angle? X. Let angle MQP equal to x degree. What is this? X degree. So this angle is what? this angle. This is 90, 90 plus x. So this is what? 90 minus x. So what's the value of this angle? X. Understood? This angle 90 degree. This is what? 90 minus x. So what you can say? In triangle, which triangle? Which triangle? QMP. QMP and triangle. Which triangle? PMR. Triangle QMP is similar to triangle PMR by what? Triple A. Rule of similar triangle. Similar triangle. So what happened? MP by what? MR. Yes or no? Is equal to what? QM by PM. Understood or not? This implies MP into PM cross multiplication is equal to QM into MR. So these both are equal. So what you can say? PM square is equal to QM into MR. Hence result. And this you also know by what? Theorem which is given before the what? Pythagorean theorems. Pythagorean theorem. Use of this, that this type of figure given, this triangle is congruent to this, similar to this triangle. This triangle is similar to whole triangle. This triangle is similar to whole triangle. So you can apply that also. Now question number 3. Same like this. Same like this. Of exercise 6.5. It's given in triangle ABD. AB in figure 6.53. ABD is a right angle at A. This is a triangle given. This triangle is given. This given. Right angle at A, B, and this is D. Right angle at D. AC is perpendicular on BD. This AC is perpendicular on BD. Understood? So first you can write again what? Given in triangle ABD, right angle at A and AC is perpendicular on BD. To prove, so many parts given. First is this: AB square is equal to BC into BD. BC into BD given. Second is what given? AC square is equal to BC into DC, DC into DC. Third one, AD square is equal to BD into CD. So first part you can do. Again same procedure. If this angle is x degree, so this is 90 minus x, and what's this? X, and this is again 90 minus x. So in triangle ABD and triangle ABC, sorry, denote. In triangle, now triangle what? DAC. DAC. So what you can say here, AB by what you can say? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC by what? Triple A. Understood? Similarly, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC, similar to triangle ABD. ABC, right angle C. So this is note this like this. ABC is similar to what triangle? What triangle? DBA. DBA. So what's AB by DB is equal to BC by what? BA. Yes or no? This implies cross multiplication AB into AB square, sorry, AB into AB into DB into BC. Understood? This is your proof of first part. Now which part? Second part. You have to prove, what you have to prove? AC. So which triangle you can take? Triangle ABC and triangle DAC, both are similar. Both are similar or not? You know about this. So AB is similar to triangle DAC. So what? AC by DC, AC by DC is equal to BC by AC. Yes or no? This implies AC square is equal to DC into BC. Understood? Third part, in triangle, which triangle? ADC and triangle, which triangle? ADC, it's meaning this triangle, what triangle? This is BDA. This complete triangle BDA, this complete triangle we have to take. AD by BD is equal to what? DC by D. Why triangle ADC is similar to triangle BDC. So corresponding side are in the same ratio. So AD into AD is equal to what? BD into DC, or this you can write BD into CD. Why? Because CD equal to DC. Understood? Question number 4, exercise 6.5. ABC is an isosceles triangle. So here take this question. ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at C. Isosceles triangle mean whose two sides are equal. A, B, C. So what you can say? In triangle ABC, right angle at C and AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Understood or not? AB not, sorry, BC. This side. AC equal to BC. It's hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem to prove is what? AB square equal to what? Twice of AC square. Proof. In triangle ABC, right angle at C and show by Pythagoras theorem, we know AB square is equal to BC square is equal to AC square. Reason AB is the hypotenuse, but BC equal to AC, this is given. Therefore, AB square is equal to in BC, AB square is equal to AC. In place of BC, we can write AC plus AC square. This implies AB square equal to twice AC square. Understood or not understood? Question number 5, which is the 6th, sorry, this is 4th, sorry for that. This is 5th question. So it's given, it's the converse of this. It's given A, B, C. Understood? Given you can write in triangle ABC, AB square is equal to given twice AC square. To prove ABC is a right angle triangle and right angle at C. Proof. In triangle ABC, what's given? AC equal to BC also given to you. AB square is equal to 2AC square. This AB square we can write AC square plus AC square. AB square is equal to, in place of AC, what you can write? BC square plus AC square. Region AC equal to BC. Therefore, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Understood? Hence, ABC is a right angle triangle and right angle at C. So, you can solve exercise 6.5 from question number 1 to 5 2 times in your rough notebook. Tomorrow we will discuss from question number 6.